A Saturn year is 29.5 times the Earth year. How far is the Saturn from the Sun? If the Earth is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 kilometers away from the Sun. According to Kepler's third law, T square varies R cube. That is, T raised to 2 by 3 varies R. Now we write equation in bracket Ts upon Te raised to 2 by 3 is equal to Rs upon Re. Put the given value, we get 29.5 Te upon Te raised to 2 by 3 is equal to Rs upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. After T cancel, we get Rs is equal to 29.5 raised to 2 by 3 into 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. Now 29.5 is the nearest cube root of 3 is 27. So we get 3 square into 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. 3 square is 9 multiplied by 15. 15 into 9 is equal to 135. Take a point from first position from right. If point position is changed from right, then the power of 10 is increased by 1. So we get the answer 1.4 into 10 raised to 9 kilometers. I used my discovery for find cube root by division method. First, make a division diagram. Make a pair of 3 numbers from right. If a pair of 3 numbers is not formed from or after the decimal point, complete the pairs by adding 0. The first pair on the left is 29, which is close to 27 cube of 3. Write 3 at the top and left of the distribution table. Below 3 on the left, multiply the magic number by 30, which will be 90. Write 27 below, subtract and write down the remaining 2. Now carry down next pair 500. If you put 1 next to the top 3, that is quotient place. Then we calculate 31 into 1 into 90 is equal to 2790, which is greater than 2500. So next number is less than 1, that is 0, right from top and left. Carry down next pair 0 0 0. In quotient place, if we take 9, then this quantity is also greater than which we want. So next, it is accurate number. Multiply 308 with 8. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Multiply this quantity with 900. 0, 0, 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. Plus 3 is equal to 57. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Plus 5 is equal to 41. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Plus 4 is equal to 22. Now we will add 8 cube to this product. 8 cube is 512. Add 2, 1, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 1, 2, 2. Now subtract 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we calculate the square of 3.08. 3 square is 9. 0 square is 20, 8 square is 64, and multiply 3 and 8 by 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Take point with 2 decimal place. Now write 9.4864 multiply by 1.5, that is 15. I drop 864 because multiplication of the remaining 2 digits gives a 4-digit number. 15 into 4 is equal to 60. 15 into 9 is equal to 135 plus 6 is equal to 141. If a decimal point carry forward for one place, then power of 10 is increased by 1. So 1.4 into 10 raised to 9 km is our answer. We can also find the cube root after solving the first square. I square is 25 and multiply 29 with next number 30, that is 870. Take a decimal point in second place. Now we can find the cube root of 817.25. The less value of first pair is 729, is cube root of 9. Subtracting 141 and multiply by 30 by 9 is 270. Carry down second pair 250. Now in quotient place, find a number 4, multiply by 94, that is 376, multiply by 270, that is 1,01,520, adds 4 square, that is 16. Put this value in inner column. By subtracting, we get 39,714.